Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we'll be discussing about the word meaning concerning to the whatever the words related to the time. So let us see exactly what we have been given in this slides. As you can see here, annual. Annual means which is happening once in a year. Antique, that is existing since old time. That is called, we can even tell that antique pieces. Next we have annuity. Annuity is something fixed sum of money paid to somebody as income in his lifetime. So as you can see, whoever is getting retired, that annuity be given during the lifetime. That fixed sum of money paid to somebody as income in his lifetime. We have biennial happening in 2 years. Biennial elections, that is 2 years. Biannual happening twice a year. So here biennial means in 2 years one time it will happen. Biannual means in a year it happens twice. That is the difference between biennial election and biannual elections. Next we have bicentennial, that is 200th anniversary. As you can see to the right, bicentennial celebration, that is between 1819 to 2019, historic old St. John's Church. So this bicentennial, that is for 200th anniversary. Next we have biennial, an event which happens once in 2 years, whatever happened, that is already discussed. Centennial means that is for 100th anniversary is known as centennial. We have centenarian, that is one who is 100 years old is known as centenarian. Whoever has got 100 years, he is known as centenarian. Century means for a period of 100 years is known as century. Centenary means 100th anniversary is known as centenary. Centennial means completing a period of 100 years is known as centennial. Contemporary, we have already discussed, living at the same time is known as contemporary. It is not sometime, it is same time. Next we have chronological, means arrangement in order of occurrence is known as chronological sequence. Decennial means happening once in 10 years. Deci means 10. Decade means a period of 10 years is known as decade. As you can see, centenary, here Vikram A. Sarabhai centenary program have been conducted for the 100 years program. I request you guys to check playlist where you will find 800 plus question papers for various examinations. As you can see here how exactly it looks like. Please go through whatever the examination you want. That question paper will be available in it. Next we have deciannual, happening 10 times in a year. Please remember, deciannual. Annually it happens 10 times. Decennial means an event which happens once in 10 years. These are one thing you have to remember which get confused. Deciannual. Deci means 10, annual means 1 year. So 10 times in 1 year. Decennial means here decennial, an event which happens once in 10 years. It happens after every 10 years. Fortnight means for the period of 15 days is known as fortnight. Hexa centennial means hexa, penta means 5, hexa means 6, centennial means 100. So 600th anniversary, that is hexa centennial. Millennium means that is a period of 1000 years is known as millennium. Please remember, these are all very important. Nonagenarian means one who has 90s, that is one who is in the 90s, he is known as nonagenarian. Nostalgia, sentimental longing for a period of in the past. As we can see, wistful longing for the happiness for a former place or time in one's life is known as nostalgia, who is sentimental longing for a period of in a past. Octogenarian means one who is in 80s is known as octogenarian. In 90s, nonagenarian. These are all very important terminology. Please remember, this will come in examinations. I am making every video regarding respective terminologies, respective concerning grade. Let us see what we have next. Octennial means an event which happens once in 8 years is known as octennial. Pent centennial means here pent has given, centennial has given. Pent means 500, centennial means 500th anniversary. That is, centennial means 100. So 500th anniversary. Next we have quinquennial means an event which happens once in 5 years is known as quinquennial. Please remember, here it is given as an event which happens once in 5 years. Every 5 years this event happens. That is known as quinquennial. Sexennial means happening in 6 years is known as sexennial. Septennial means happening once in 7 years. So remember this, every 7 years it will be happening once. Semi-centennial means 50th anniversary, that is known as semi-centennial. Sexagenarian means that is one who is in 60s is known as sexagenarian. Next we have one who is 70s is known as septuagenarian, is known as one who is in 70s, that is septuagenarian. Here septennial, as you can see, happening once in 7 years. How exactly it has been given, septennial. Next we have sexennial, an event which happens once in every 6 years is known as sexennial. Septennial means an event which happens once in 7 years. Simultaneously means occurring at the same time is known as simultaneous. Sporadic means occurring at irregular intervals in time is known as sporadic. Next we have tercentennial means it happens in 300th anniversary, that is called tercentennial. Tetra means that is again 400th anniversary is known as tetracentennial. Teenager means again it is age from 13 years to 19 years of age is known as teenager age group. Transitory means that which lasts for a short time is known as transitory. Triennial means the conference takes place once in 3 years, so that is known as triennial. Every 3 years it will take place once. I request you guys to call me on 7666730252 if you want a PDF of 2100 of GK and GS examination for the examinations for all competitive examinations. That will be helpful. I hope if you have understood, please comment me whatever the discrepancies are there. I request you guys to share it to your friends. I request you guys to go through my playlist where you will find more than 800 videos of different topic. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.